how to use a Vodafone Data Rollover feature. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is obviously get into my Vodafone application. Then from there, make sure you're logged into your Vodafone account, right? So after doing that, another thing that you need to be sure about would be making sure that you are eligible for Vodafone prepaid or postpaid plan that actually includes the data rollover. So like I said, if you are using any of those plans, then make sure that it also includes data rollover. Then after doing that, you can now use your data normally throughout the month, right? So you can use it however you want, and it wouldn't matter whether you spend the monthly limit data or not, because whenever you recharge your prepaid plan before it expires or let your postpaid billing cycle refresh, will automatically be done by itself. So yeah, you can then go over and check my Vodafone app data tracker. So in order to see your unused data from the previous month added to your current balance. So like I said, you can get into my Vodafone application, and then from there you can tap on your desired plan, right? So the plan that you're currently using. Then from there you can see the data tracker. You'll be able to see that your previous month data, the remaining data, has successfully been added to your current balance. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.